Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and enjoying winter. Students, yesterday we have started our new unit, unit number 12, holiday time. And our winter holidays are also coming. And we have read page number 65. In that unit, we have read that holidays means break time, off days. After a long period of hard work, we get holidays, we get break time, off days from work to take some rest. This video is made for you by Miss Amreen Azhar and Miss Rabia Shahid. And today we are going to read half of the page 66. First of all, open page number 65. So student, yesterday we have done half page and today we are going to complete our page number 65. We have read up till line 17 and today we are going to start from line number 18. And up till now we have read that there is one girl, Aisha, who is telling about her vacations, about her how she has spent her holidays. Have all of you given numbers to the line from 18? On this page number 65 there are 22 lines. Today is 17 December 2020 and day is Thursday. Okay. Recite Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and start reading with me. After spending 3 days in Islamabad, we decided to go to Murree. Grandfather and grandmother also came along with us. The weather in Murree was cold. We climbed up the hills and rode on a chairlift. Aisha is telling you that first she has finished her homework and then they visited their grandparents in Islamabad, and after staying 3 days there, they decided to go to Murree. Now, what is Murree? Underline the word Murree. Murree is a hilly area, hill station of Pakistan. It is very beautiful, very beautiful. Weather is always cold there. So people used to go there in their summer break. Grandfather and grandmother means grandparents. They also went with them. The weather in Murree was cold. We climbed up the hills. Climb means chadhna. You climbed up the stairs or you climbed up the trees. Here we climbed up the hills and rode on a chairlift. Underline the word road. Now this is not that road where you drive the car. This road is the past tense of ride. R-I-D-E. सवारी करना. हमने चेयर लिफ्ट की सवारी करी. Now what is chair lift? Chair lift is a small cars, seats which they fly in the with on the thick wire, strong wire. We turn the page, open page number 75, write down the date and day. Give numbers to the line from 23 to 30. We ate tasty food and enjoyed ourselves. I asked mother and father if we could visit cousin Sarah's home. Her house was near the hotel we stayed in. She lived in a small hut with her parents between the mountains and trees of the beautiful valley of Murree. Behind their hut was an orchard of apple trees. My younger brother Ali and I played all day long with cousin Sarah. We spent a whole week in Murree. Cousin Sarah gave us presents when we left. Now in this paragraph we are studying that Aisha is telling that when they reached Murree, they enjoyed tasty food. They stayed in a hotel which is nearby their cousin Sarah's home. They visited Sarah's and they the Sarah's house is between the mountains. Uh, what does cousins mean? Cousin is meaning is child of your uncles and aunt. Her house was near the hotel we stayed in a small hut with her parents between the mountains. Now, what is between? Between means in the middle of two things. Where the thing which separate the two surrounding things. Between the mountains of the trees of the beautiful valley of Murray. Now, what is valley? What is valley? Valley means the area which is between the two hills. Hills, when hills are together side by side, they make V-shaped area, and that V-shaped area is called valley. Behind their hut, behind means back of their hut, was an orchard of apple trees. Underline the word orchard. Orchard means phalon ka baag. A garden where the fruit trees are there. Apple trees were there. My younger brother Ali and I played all day. What is younger? Smaller brother. And I played all day long with cousin Sarah. We spent a whole week in Murray. Cousin Sarah gave us presents. Now underline the word presents. Presents means gifts. So cousin, between, valley, behind, orchard, younger, presents. Underline these words and learn these spellings. Now come to line number 34. The next day I went to the bookshop with my brother. Both of us had saved some pocket money. I bought interesting story books, a dictionary and a pencil box. Bookshop means where you can find stationery, pencils, erasers, colors, all about school writing stuff. Bought is the past tense of buy, kharidi. Dictionary is a book where you will find all the words with their meanings, and nowadays we have dictionary in our mobiles also. So students, up till now we will read this, we have read this page till a pencil box. Write some small date there, 17/12, and we will continue this unit reading on Sunday. Okay, please go through it, do the reading again and again, at least twice. Watch this video to help you in pronouncing the new words. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.